How to turn on or turn off Samsung blockchain Keystore notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down, and in here, tap on security and privacy. Then scroll down and tap on more security settings. After that, go down and tap on Samsung blockchain Keystore. Then in here, tap on notifications. At the top here, tap on the allow notifications toggle button to turn off or switch on notifications for the blockchain Keystore. And that's it. Down here, you can also choose whether to turn on or turn off sound and vibration for the notifications. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find the video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.